Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going on a night point of view drive with this car, the MG ZS. Now you may remember that recently I also tested the MG ZS EV, which is the electric version, but today's focus is this one. So the petrol version, this one has the 1 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, and it's got a very nice spec, as you can see, as we have the bright orange color on this car. Of course, LED lights. This is the luxury trim. Very nice details on the bumper here, but also the nice grille, MG logo as well. Side profile 4 meters 32, and let's unlock it once again so that we can see the lights. 17-inch wheels on this one, and yeah, well, this is the side profile view from the rear. You also see the nice illumination of those LEDs. Let's lock it and then unlock once again. This is the key with the MG badge. There we go. So now you see just ZS lettering. We also got the EV as well on the electric version. Now in order to open the tailgate, do this, just press the badge. 448 liters of space and nice square shape. Also the net on both sides, not sure if you can see it, it's a bit dark, but now it is time to go for a drive. So without further ado, this is the lovely view on the cockpit. So let's see it from driver's perspective and let's start the drive. All right, let's start the car. Start the engine here, and we are ready to go. As you can see, we have a very cool animation right in front of us, and then here the main touchscreen. Put it to drive, and we are ready. So the model in our video, as I said, today we have the petrol version with the 1 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 111 horsepower with 160 newton meters of torque. Another option is the 4-cylinder entry-level version. That one has 106 horsepower, and of course there is an option of the electric version, electric motor, and I also tested that one, so you can watch the videos of the electric version on my channel, but today's focus is this one. 12.4 seconds to reach 100 with the automatic transmission. Top speed is 180 kilometers per hour. You can also get this car, this engine, paired with the manual transmission. And yeah, well, as you can see, the model in our video has got a very nice interior. This car has the luxury trim, which is basically the top of the line trim for this model. And you see also the very nice seats, which are really comfortable, and 10.1 inch touchscreen in the middle. And once again, I really love the graphics on this. You will see when we will be driving a bit faster. I have the speedometer on the left and also the rev counter on our right, but they have very cool animation. And there are also some physical buttons. And soon we will be departing this rather huge garage and going on a nice relaxed drive through my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. And I want to hear your initial thoughts on the interior of this car. I think it's really nice and really feels nice. The steering wheel 3-spoke one with the red stitching, MG logo here, and this car also has the 360 view. So look at this, for example, you see the view on the camera. You can also put the 3D, so now you see, I'm not sure how much camera is catching, but yeah, that's quite cool. And also, of course, it can be useful And I already mentioned the buttons. So with this, you go into this home menu. This is to change the volume, which is good to have on button, of course. And when you press this, you go into the AC controls, bunch of settings available here. But good news is that you can also change the settings here. So adjust the air blower. So this is where you adjust the temperature. It's nice to have actually those things on physical buttons. And now I can also show you the navigation with a nice 3D view of the buildings. You can also adjust the day view or the night view, which we currently have. And you see you have the settings here. And of course the National Theatre on our left, which you could show here on the navigation screen as well. On the navigation view, you see you can change the map appearance, and yeah, well, you see the day map colors and night map colors. They can be adjusted in here. More about the infotainment system on my full review during the day, so stay tuned for that. If you want to turn off the start stop, you can do it here. Just press this button and now the start stop system is off. Here you also have the electronic parking brake and the auto hold. This is the gear selector for the automatic transmission. And if you want to change the gears manually, you can do it here. Just put it to S and now you could change it by yourself. But I don't find it necessary. I think this is smooth, so I will keep it in this automatic mode. And in front of us we have a bunch of information. So information about the car. You can adjust the brightness of the screen, set the speed warning, see when is your next service, and also you can see a bunch of information about the vehicle itself. So that's quite cool. If you press this car section, you go into this driver assist and comfort and convenience features. So rear driving assist, blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert. You can adjust those systems here. And here is where you can also adjust the steering. So there are 3 adjustments available for the steering: urban, normal, and dynamic, which would then make steering a bit stiffer. And if you are on a country road, this is what I would suggest. And then for the urban environment, of course, it makes sense to put this one on. And comfort and convenience, you can adjust the lighting and other settings. You can adjust this button here and turn it into something that you used often. Alright guys, and that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Tell me in the comments how do you like the MG ZS, and stay tuned for more. You can also watch my full review to see more details. Thank you for watching this one, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.